it's Joey from Imzz. We're in the shop today. We're doing something a little different. We're gonna start branching out from our how-to videos. Here's my personal bike. I got in an accident a few months ago. But we're gonna start a rebuild series on her. So we're gonna be tearing this whole bike down, doing a full rebuild. You'll see I snapped the handlebar bolts off. Gonna need a new fairing mount, new windshield, some paint, new fender. There's a couple things we'll be able to salvage. So some of the things will just take a little cleanup, and then some of the things will be full replace. We'll probably build a new exhaust system for it. Probably get a new, thinking about modifying a Softail street bob fender, maybe doing some little 12 o'clock bar in here. So we're gonna have a couple things going on here. I'm definitely gonna break these wheels down and polish them. Probably throw on a new set of our Imzz pegs. So this is gonna be bad. This is gonna be a good new build. A couple things, obviously some paint. Once we get the tins that are damaged, like my front fender is just completely tweaked. This whole front end is gonna get replaced. I got a buddy that's gonna throw me a 99 dual disc, so we're gonna modify that to run some Bagger Brembos. Obviously upgrade the rotors. I got a Brembo Bagger rear we're gonna modify to run on here. So it's gonna be a good build. You have to stay tuned on the rebuild series and see what we got in store for this one. And then we also got a couple other projects in the shop. So we'll take a walk through here. I'll show you the other big project we got. It's gonna be a full teardown also. Right here we got a 2003 100th anniversary edition Dyna, single owner. Our sponsored stunt rider sweeper, he got this for a steal. So it's never been molested. So we'll go through and you'll get to follow us turn this bone stock 03 into a full stunt bike for sweeper. So we have new shocks that are gonna go on this thing. We're gonna do a whole pull back bar riser combo, upgraded headlight. We're gonna do 2-overs with the new upgraded suspension. We got pegs coming. There's a couple things we're gonna just remove, things he doesn't need. We're definitely gonna throw a Saddleman Imzz seat on here. So we got some things, some replacement mirrors. But this one's gonna be a full tear down. We'll get those wheels probably removed and we'll throw a chain drive kit on it. This one's gonna be a lot of work. So not few of the cosmetic things like these dents we're not gonna worry about because this bike's gonna get thrown around quite a bit. But yeah, it's definitely gonna be a fun build. So you'll have to follow the series on this one. We'll probably start tearing this down here soon. So you'll get to see us strip it all apart. We'll get the full counter shaft pulley removed and we'll do the chain drive. We'll do bars next. Hopefully we'll get a seat in soon. So you'll get to definitely see this bike come to life. If you're looking to build yourself a stunt bike out of maybe an older Dyna, you'll get to see kind of just at least a basic way to run down. It's not gonna be a full how-to on this build. It's more so gonna just follow the build, but you'll at least get some tips on how we would build a stunt bike for our riders. So it's gonna be a little bit of just our knowledge and a little bit of what Sweeper wants personally for himself. So you'll have to check that out and definitely come by for some of our open houses. Our stunt riders are usually here, just chilling out. So you'll have to come by. So stay tuned for the rebuild on this, the rebuild on my bike. We got a couple things in store.